Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And as always, well, at least lately, this video is brought to you by Kunugu Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. And one thing that you should know about me personally, I don't like the color green, especially lime green, neon green, and anything that's vibrant green. You know who likes that kind of green? My wife. So, that says about my wife and me, in a way. But Kunuko Coffee Roasters has this really good muted down pastel green, and it's much more desirable than what my wife likes. So that's a good middle ground for all of us. And not to mention about middle grounds and other stuff that is desirable, we have another watch here coming from one of our favorite brands, Zelos. And this one is a new model of their that they're launching. And I actually, as a backstory, I already known about this model for the longest while. I've seen some of the prototype drawings for it, and I was kind of excited to see this how it was going to look like. So now the time has come. But before that, just to remind you, all of the comments that are in this video will make it into the actual video review. So if you have any comments, questions, and general remarks about this watch, well, this is now the time. And the good ones, the good remarks and comments will, of course, make it into the actual video review. So let's get to it. It's the standard thing right now with Zelos. It's been a while since they changed their card, and I don't see any time that they're going to change their card anytime soon. And as you can see there, that's number 143. It says their serial now, so I don't know if that changes things. That's the box. Oh, look at that. Okay, the travel roll is now black and blue. I don't know if this is just for this collection, but that's a nice change. Let's see. Aha. Okay. So here we go. Oh, this one's a little tight. Because that travel roll is a little tight. Okay, let's put it back into its place. There we are. Oh wow. Okay, so that is something. That is a very striking design. Let's remove the stickers here and there. Zelos also loves to put stickers on all of their models. And this one is right here. Put stickers on the bracelet. Of course, more stickers here. Stickers at the back. That's cool. That's cool. I don't even know if this has some coating on it. Well, it probably has. Let's see. And take off from the back. There we are. Oh, at the clasp. Pretty neat. Okay, let's see. It doesn't have doesn't seem to show you the hardness coating at the back, but it is 100 meters water resistant, and that's what it's called. Look at that. Let's focus it. There you go. Zelos GT, and you have a silhouette of car there, and that's the watch. Look at that. It has that really nice pine, dark pine green color. Okay, I need to wipe it up. Okay, so it's one thing that I didn't see, or at least didn't impress on me on the drawings, is the cool champers. Look at all those cool champers. That is very pronounced. That is inescapable, and it has its own flair. Look at that. That I've never seen this kind of bezel before. That flares straight up and then has that really large chamfer, and then on a domed sapphire crystal on top of that. Really cool effect. We've never seen that, but this tonneau shape, it reminds us of the old school Omega Speedmaster Mark IIs. I have one, so that's probably going to be a comparison in the video. That's going to happen for sure. And look at that. Is that a power reserve? Yes, I think that is. Let's try it out. Let's wind it up. Let's see how that power reserve goes up. It goes up really quickly. Look at that. Just a few winds and it'll make it to halfway. Very nice. Very nice. What does that mean? 20? Is that 20 hours of power reserve? I think it is. And look at that. Look at those accents. Those yellow accents and a very, very nice automotive inspired or dashboard inspired needle for a seconds hand. Very cool. You could see also the skeletonized hands there. Very, very nice. You have crown guards here, but it kind of looks like some pushers there for your chronograph. But this is not a chronograph. This is a date only, time only and date only watch. And you can see there GT. I'm not so sure about that font right there. I could have used a different font, but look at all those tracks. Anyway, let's put it on the wrist. Let's remove our flux quadras here. Also, a vintage automotive inspired watch of a different kind. Let's put it on the wrist. Of course, it's not sized yet. There we go. So I think this is a 40mm watch, as you might expect. That really pops out of my wrist. Really, really high there. I don't know what the thickness is. We'll get to those specs later, of course, in the actual video review. But that's the first impression on the watch. The bracelet, there's a cool taper there, and this very unique H link design. I'm not so sure how that's gonna work. My impression is I'm not really that into that bracelet. I could have used a different style of bracelet, but man, this case is something else to behold. So, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know if you like this new Zelos design. Look at those indexes. Those indexes are something. Yeah, that I like. That I definitely like. And let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this one. And I'm sure this is not going to be expensive. It's probably going to be around the below $500 mark. So it's very, very affordable. And it's a new Zelos. It actually doesn't look too Zelosy to me. But maybe it's because of the dial. It's the really dark pine green dial. And they have other variants as well, as this common with Zelos releases. So, once again, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this new Zelos GT.